Hi, my name is Dr. Splichal, functional podiatrist and human movement specialist. Today, I want to share with you two of my favorite techniques for bringing support to the foot when you are experiencing diffuse foot fatigue, arch pain, or even plantar fasciitis. Now, these two ways are going to involve either using a taping technique or using a arch strap, which is essentially mimicking the effect of taping. Now, the taping, which is done oftentimes in a podiatrist's office, is using a tape that's called elastoplast or tenoplast. Now, this is a 3-inch roll, and you can get this on Amazon. And why I like tenoplast is it has a little bit of an elasticity, not too much, but enough to allow for enough movement. Now, this can be a little bit difficult to apply to yourself, which is why it's typically done in a podiatrist office. The second way, when a patient responds quite well to this taping technique in the office, I will then recommend getting what's called an elastic arch strap. This elastic arch strap, which is my favorite of all of them, is by a company called Pedifix. And you can find this on their website, but you can also find this on Amazon. The elastic arch strap is similar in that it is 3 inches, and then you can see it has a little bit of an elasticity to it. I'm going to place this on my foot. I'm going to slide it on so it's centered right in the middle of my arch, very similar to the taping technique that I did. And because of the elasticity of the strap, I'm getting a good hug to the foot, some good compression, and this is going to provide comfort to the arch and to the tissue in the bottom of the foot. Now, again, both of these techniques are great for diffuse foot pain, arch fatigue, plantar fasciitis, heel pain, as a way to bring support, compression, and stability to the tissue to allow it to calm down and to repair itself. These are also really great options when you are home and you don't necessarily want to be in arch supports and structured shoes around your home. To learn more about both of these products, which are available on Amazon, it's Elastoplast 3-inch roll or Pedifix for the elastic arch strap. To learn more about how I treat patients or to schedule a virtual consultation, please visit dremilysplichal.com.